In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the promotion bulk enroll, which moves the students to the next school year. First, I'm going to start out in the current school year, 18-19 at the high school. And in the cheater, I'm going to type the word promotion. I get two choices back in the search results, and I'm going to select the second one, the student promotion. All you do is tab or click next through the tabs until you get to the last tab. This screen tells you who has their new school field filled out, and nobody does yet, which is fine, because when I click this blue button, promote, it's going to give everyone a new school. And this is what tells the promotion bulk enroll process what school to put the student in for 1920. Second step is switch over to 1920. And you can either type bulk enrollment in the cheater or click the breadcrumb and just go back to student bulk enrollment page. On this page, you click next until you get to the last tab. If you have any students on number 1 or number 2, tab number 1 or 2, ignore those for now. That means that you've already done the promo bulk enroll once and they are set to go somewhere else. So on the third tab, you'll want to select the students you want to promote. And I'm purposely going to promote the 11th graders only at this time. So show only students in prior grade 11, because those are going to be my 12th graders in 1920. I'm going to select them all and click next. And the reason I'm doing the new 12th graders separate is because I need to put them on the senior calendar. So those 11th graders are now 12th graders, need to be promoted to the senior calendar. The 11th graders that were on the non-attending last year go to the non-attending calendar in 1920. Down below, this is just a matching game. If they were active in 18-19, they should be active in 1920. Same goes for all these other student status codes. They were a non-resident in 18-19, they're a non-resident in 1920. So I'm just going to quickly verify that I didn't fat finger anything and click my mouse wrong. Up here, do I want to copy their lockers? Do I want to copy their free and reduced lunch? Do I want to copy their counselors? Do I want to copy their transportation data that's on the transportation tab of their profile? Do I want to clear their homerooms? And do I want to clear the data flags that are on the additional tab? So that's how I'm going to mark mine, and I'm going to click the blue process bulk enroll. What happens, it sends a job to your management screen. It should finish fairly quickly, and mine has. And I'm just going to do a quick test. If I do an asterisk search, I should see all my students pop up. And those are my 12th graders. Now I need to go back and do the rest of the grade levels. So I can click next, next. And on this tab, see I have all the 9, 10, 8th graders that are going to be 9th graders. So I can do those all at once. They were on the default calendar last year, their default calendar this year. Same goes for non-attending. Same goes for this. So notice this says building 0094. That's the high school building code, and there are 198 students. 0095 is the middle school, and there are 95. That's because there's 95 8th graders that are going to be 9th graders at the high school next year. Down here, this is just a matching game again. And the most important thing you have to worry about is that you don't fat finger it and accidentally select the wrong thing. So after I'm done marking all these, I'm going to double check them. Active, active, non-res, res, attend elsewhere, other, active, non-res, res, elsewhere. Okay, and I'm going to click the blue process bulk enrollment. Go check my management screen again. That job is now finished. I'm going to do an asterisk search and I should have 405 students. Now I'm finished with the promotion.